Fix fingerprint not showing in settings. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and if the fingerprint option is missing or not showing in your Android setting, here are some steps we can follow to resolve the issues. First, you need to restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve system glitches that cause the fingerprint option to disappear. Hold power button and now you need to select restart. Second step is make sure your phone support fingerprint scanning. Some older devices or budget models may not have a fingerprint sensor, so you need to check your device specifications. Other thing is simply you need to check for software update. Navigate to settings and now you need to check for the update and you will find software update. Select that and if there is any software update available, install it as updates may fix issues with fingerprint recognitions or setting feasibility. Now, you need to simply re-enable the fingerprint option. Sometimes the fingerprint option may be disabled in your settings. You can try to manually enable it. Go to settings. Then you need to proceed towards the security option. Then here you will get the option of fingerprint. You simply need to select that and then enter your lock screen password. Then you can easily add a fingerprint and re-add or re-enable fingerprint option. So by following all the steps, you should be able to fix fingerprint missing in your settings. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.